Hey everybody, today I'm just going to get a lot more elaborate on a couple of things. One, our kit pricing is live at icfguru.com. We are filling a lot of orders right now. We've got plenty of stock, as you saw in my video last week. I'll link it right here. But couple things real quick. Almost all of you guys are reaching out about like rectilinear designs, rectangles, L's, lazy L's. I mean, you can build a triangle. As long as you're using normal forms, they're going to be straight walls. And the kit sizes, you buy whatever size meets your square footage requirement. And you can basically, there's enough ICF in that kit to get you, if you had an L shape that was still roughly the same size as an 18 by 36 rectangle, you got enough forms. So I hope that clarifies that. But a lot of the not proprietary, but specialized plumbing parts that come in the kit are very simple to hook up. But you guys might, if it's the first time you've ever done it, whatever, there'll be a little bit of a learning curve. You might be staring at something that should take 10 minutes. It takes you an hour and a half. I want to make that very streamlined. So like a sump, like a main drain, the box will come with a little QR code stamped on it that will have a little 1 or 2 minute video of me. It's a private video. It's not on my channel, but you'll be able to click on it and it'll show you exactly every single connection, every fitting you need to source locally, like a male adapters, whatever. And the big one that confuses a lot of people on their first kit is the skimmer. It's made to bolt onto the face of a steel wall pool, and it's very easy to install in a ICF wall. But you basically cut a rectangle out of the front and then the back, and you end up cutting one web out right there. So you weaken the wall just a little bit, but one web doesn't hurt anything. The back has a cut that's more oddly shaped. It goes all the way around this. So what we provide there is a template that folds up and over the wall, and you trace around it and you have a perfect outline. You cut that out and that skimmer will sit in the wall perfectly. You use the spray foam we include, you foam it in, you're done. It's so easy. It takes no more than 10 minutes per skimmer, but because if you've never done it before, you get a little worried about doing something wrong, cutting it wrong. Everything, our wall returns, we'll have a little video. So I'm going to have a lot of that included with the kit. Just every step that, as we've done these kits, people will call me with a question here and there that I'm like, oh yeah, I guess that's, we do it every day so we don't think about it. Like, yeah, we should definitely include some information on that. So we're down to the point that I think just about anybody with, basic construction knowledge, you know how to use an impact, a drill, and a little handsaw, you can build a pool, guys. So we're super excited about getting all this stuff started. Like I said, we've got a lot of pools going out. If you guys have been waiting on me in particular, now that I've finally been able to go live with the pricing, today is Saturday. This video will go live Sunday morning. Hopefully by the time you guys are seeing this on Sunday, if you're watching it the day it came out, you've already got an email from me, but expect it right away with responses on questions you guys have had or pricing, because it'll be live now. So very excited, guys. What I'm going to show you real quick in a video today after this little clip is I'm going to show you, if you wanted to do a rounded pool, a kidney, a peanut shape, whatever, we can custom order you curved ICF. It is a lot harder, I'm not going to lie. But I'm also going to show you, people very much worry about how to measure liners. Also know that after you get the normal kit and you get it built, there will be very specific instructions on how to measure a liner. If you have a very complex, set of stairs or something, I will be available for, short consults and stuff like that to help you get the measurements right, and we'll order that to be shipped right to you. But if it's irregular, round, any kind of curve, those are called AB measurements for a cover or a liner. And if you guys already have an existing pool that's like that and you're wanting to order a new one, we can help you with that too. But I'm going to show you AB measurements because they are the most complicated type of measurements, but it's still very simple for the data you need to give to the company. Then they do it's basically a triangulation. You got an A point and a B point, and it only intersects in one spot. And you go around the pool and give it the A and the B coordinate, and their computer prints out a perfect drawing of your pool, or for your cover. So it's super cool, and I'm going to show you that because if you understand that, measuring for a rectangle liner is like baby stuff compared to that. So guys, I'm going to bring you that, and I will talk to you guys next week. We're probably going to do an updated pricing video next week, and then talk training because it's coming up and it's exciting. So we'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, I thought I'd take an opportunity. Most of the pools we've been building these days, most of the style is rectilinear, But if you do have an irregular shape, a kidney, or kind of a peanut shaped pool, any kind of rounded pool, the way we measure for either, what we're measuring for today is a safety cover for winter, but also for a vinyl liner, because a lot of you guys have been reaching out. It's called an AB measurement. It's actually really simple. It's actually probably pretty complex, but it's simple for you. Is all we're gonna do is about every 16 inches to 2 feet, we're gonna put a piece of tape and we're gonna mark each one of them with a number, 1 through whatever. And then you're gonna have an A point and a B point. We have an A point right here and a B point. They have to be a minimum of 10 feet apart, a minimum of 5 feet from the pool, and running roughly parallel with the length, but it does not have to be perfect. You just don't wanna run it at a weird angle. And so if you think about it, we're gonna measure every one of these points from the A point and from the B point, and they will only intersect in 2 spots in the world, here and a mirror image over there in the neighbor's yard. So if you ever were to mix up A and B, there will be an erroneous point mirrored over there. But otherwise, it will outline point, 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 and it will give them the exact outline. They just plug all that in. You don't have to do any of that work. You just take the data, turn it into us, we send it into the cover company, and they give us a drawing, and then you approve it, and it fits like a glove. So real quick, we're gonna measure all this, in an AB fashion, and put it all together. So really simple. If it was a vinyl liner, everywhere you have a stair or anywhere you have a break point from shallow to slope to deep, you'd have to make sure there was a point directly plumb above those spots so you can delineate that. This is just a cover, so I only care about the perimeter. But if this was a vinyl liner, I'd make sure right at this break there's a number, and right down there at the deep there's another number. But for our purposes today, this is real easy. We just zip around it. Okay, it's 95 degrees in the middle of September. It's been in the 70s for the last couple weeks, so I'm sweating like a hog, but that's it. You basically just turn that drawing in, your A column, your B column, you give them your A to B measurements, and they spit out a drawing that looks like this. And like I said, you verify that it's accurate, and we get your cover ordered or your liner, depending. So that's how it is. Like with ICF pools, guys, rounds are not super easy. I mean, we got multiple companies that make radius forms. It's totally doable. But the cool thing is right now the rectilinear designs are more in style anyway, and they're much easier. So I encourage everybody to stay straight walls. But if you really, really, really love this, it's doable with ICF, and the AB measurements are really, really easy. They're a lot better than you think they are. So just kind of wanted to show you guys that with a quick video. Obviously got more content. Trainings is pretty much booked up at this point for October. And obviously we got the one in the winter. We haven't started booking, so we haven't set the dates. But we have a really cool fall, guys. We have a lot of exciting stuff to bring you guys between the kits and the training. So stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time.